Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fascinating questions in physics. Can photons, those tiny packets of light, break the time barrier? Yes, this is the question. And no, this question is so interesting, so fascinating. This question is actually. So first, let's talk about what are photons. So photons, those are known to you. Photons are light particles. They carry light as well as different forms of electromagnetic radiation. And they have the ultimate speed limit of the universe. The limit is what? Limit is 300,000 kilometers per second or 3 lakh kilometers per second. Okay, so this is the ultimate speed limit of the universe. And we are right now talking about photons. And you know photons are massless. But according to Einstein's theory of relativity, no particle with mass can reach this speed limit or exceed this speed limit. Okay, but so you can think that, think like that, photons are massless. That is known to you. But in the theory of relativity, Einstein said that no particle with mass. So since photons are massless, that means photons may cross the speed limit. Okay, people may think this way. Since photons are massless, so those light particles or those photons can can cross the speed limit, can exceed the speed limit. Okay, but according to our current understanding of physics, the answer to this question is no. We cannot exceed this speed limit because to exceed this speed limit, an infinite amount of energy would be required, and that is not possible. That is impossible. Okay, so according to the theory of relativity, actually, whether the particle has mass or no mass, whether the particle has mass or whether the particle is massless, in both the cases, an infinite amount of energy would be required. So, though photons are massless, but infinite amount of energy, that is not possible. Okay, so according to our current understanding of physics, this is not possible. Again, there is one more thing. If you think that, yes, photons are massless, so maybe for photons this is possible, exceeding the speed limit. Since photons are massless, you can think this way, but in that case, one thing would be required, and that is the redefinition of space-time itself. Yes, newly you need to refine, you will be in need to redefine space-time itself. According to our current understanding of space-time, this is not possible. But if you study quantum mechanics, there are some speculative theories such as tachyons are there, again some light-like particles are there, their behaviors are strange. So according to those theories, those particles, those light-like particles or tachyons can cross this speed limit, but actually those things are highly theoretical and unproven. Okay, those theories are those things are highly theoretical and unproven. That means the conclusion is same. According to current understanding of physics, this is not possible. Exceeding the speed limit of light, that is not possible. And somehow, if it would become possible, then our understanding of physics, there will be a drastic change in the understanding of physics. Okay, problems are there, causality, then time travel. So many things are there, and proper understanding of the universe. Everything would change drastically if it really becomes possible. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about the topic, today's topic. Topic was what? There was a question. And one more thing, for photons, say from a distant star, which is billions of light years away from Earth, I'm talking about that star. So, a photon particle emitted from that distant star would eventually reach Earth, but for that photon particle, time required is zero, because photon particles themselves do not feel time. So for the photon particles, the meaning of time is actually, or concept of time is actually meaningless. So that way you can also think that, oh, okay, photon particles do not require time to travel from one point to another. That means photon particles could easily break this speed limit. Still, the answer to this question is no, that is not possible. Though photon particles themselves do not feel time. From the perspective, if you think from the perspective of photons, then they do not require time to reach from one point to another point. Still, that limit, which is 3 lakh kilometers per second, that is not possible, exceeding that limit. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.